We're going to review the top 5 best hammock bug net, that you can choose the right one for your purpose. Number 1. Eagle's Nest Outfitters Bug Net. Want protection from the worst and mighty little creatures starting from mosquitoes to no-see-ums during the night? Then, this Guardian Bug Net may be able to help you. is quite well known as a bug net brand, so you can totally trust it when it comes to quality. Apparently, this net is excellent at keeping mosquitoes away but not the best with no-see-ums. While the build quality is great and dense, the ventilation may seem a bit low as you would expect from a no-see-um mesh net. Number 2. Wise Owl Outfitters Hammock Bug Net. Is there a forest or 2 huge trees right near your house where you just spend the night on a hammock from time to time? Then, this Wise Owl Bug Net may be the perfect one for you. Apparently, it is a big enough net for a single hammock. Even though it claims it can fit 2 hammocks in it, it is best with one. Apart from that, the mesh net is well capable of keeping all bugs out. Furthermore, the nylon joints keep the net slightly breathable. However, you may still get a bit restless because of the slight lack of breathability. Number 3. Is Young Hammock with Mosquito Net. Do you want to carry a hammock with a net in the easiest possible way? Then, this is Young Hammock with its mosquito net will provide you with ease. In fact, both the hammock and the attached net fits in methodically into a nice compact bag. Since the hammock and the net are quite spacious for a person, it won't be the easiest task to fold it and put inside the bag. But, there are clear instructions for it, so no trouble there. Other than that, it is very easy to set up, but the ropes on the hammock may prove to be very short. Number 4. Legit Camping Hammock Bug Net. Want something big enough to fit your giant hammock? The Legit Camping Hammock will legit fit anything inside it. In fact, it provides you with all-around protection from bugs, including your bottom, and also lets you store things on it. This net is apparently quite easy to set up. However, the ridgeline provided with it would have been better if it was longer and stronger. Otherwise, the net itself seems durable. However, it does not allow a lot of air in and makes the insides quite dark. It is available at a reasonable price as well, so it won't be a bad thing to buy. Number 5. G4 Free Camping Hammock with Bug Net. Tired of carrying and setting up a tent? Then, this G4 Free Hammock with its bug net may be able to save you from all the trouble. In fact, you can even use the hammock alone by folding the attached net to its designated space. You will find that this net is well capable of saving you from bites of no-see-ums. However, as it does not cover the lower part, you may get bites through the hammock. It is easy to set up, but many do not prefer the ropes as there are easier options available. Apart from that, while it is a good buy for what it costs, it is not the most durable. Many have reported rips in the net. Thanks for watching this video. We hope you like the best hammock bug net we select for this year. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to our channel to see more videos like this in the future. If you have any questions related to the best hammock bug net, which are listed here, please leave a comment down below and we will get back to you as soon as possible.